snake plant is known to grow quite rapidly and are easy care houseplants. They make great indoor plants. Here are some great tips on how to care for your snake plant better so that it will grow tall, but manageable, in your home. Create a perfect environment. A good snake plant has many, many leaves. The snake plant will also grow very tall. Most of the leaves will be green, but some may be red or even white. When you water the plant, make sure to get all of the leaves. If you don't, the plant might get sick and die. If you overwater, you could also make the leaves fall off. It's important to water the plant regularly, usually fortnightly is enough, but less during the winter months. Make sure to let the water soak into the soil. The soil should be moist, but not soggy. Also, make sure that the soil is rich in nutrients. If it is, the plant will grow very well. A snake plant likes a little bit of sunlight, but not too much. If the plant gets too much sunlight, it can burn the leaves. The plant will appreciate it if you keep the soil from getting too dry. Most snake plants can tolerate a little bit of dry soil. It will also appreciate if you add more fertilizer every so often. How big does a snake plant get? Snake plants are quite diverse plants and can grow anywhere from 6 inches to up to 8 feet tall. If you need to tame your snake plant, the best way to do this is by pruning it. Use a thin knife to do so, and remove individual leaves. Be sure to remove the leaves that you deem to be too tall. However, be very careful when doing so as you don't want to damage the plant. Snake plant growing in the right place. There are 2 ways to grow a snake plant. You can either start it from seed or you can repot it. To grow a snake plant from seed, you need to sow the seeds in a fine seed starting mix. You can either sow the seeds directly into your container, or you can take your container and mix the seeds with some of the potting mixes. Once the seeds have germinated, you should keep them in the same conditions for another week. You can then transport the plants into individual pots. Water your snake plant and grow it too tall. There are many reasons why a plant may not be growing as fast as it should be. Usually, overwatering or not watering enough is the issue. If you notice that your snake plant is not growing as it should be, change its watering schedule, or check for root rot. Similarly, if your snake plant is growing too rapidly, be sure to prune the leaves that become too tall. If you have a snake plant in your house, you should keep it away from direct sunlight. This is the best way to keep them healthy. A good rule of thumb is to give them plenty of space, light, and nutrients. To put it simply, they need room, light, and food. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.